guys, it's me, Miss Rosana from the Schaumburg Library, and you might remember my oldest daughter, Ellie.
Hi guys.
Yes, and we are here for another family story time. And our hello song today is to the tune of If You're Happy and You Know It. It's called If You're Ready for a Story. You ready? Okay. If you're ready for a story, clap your hands. If you're ready for a story, clap your hands. If you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, clap your hands. If you're ready for a story, nod your head. If you're ready for a story, nod your head. If you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, nod your head. If you're ready for a story, shout hooray, hooray! If you're ready for a story, shout hooray, hooray! If you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, shout hooray, hooray! All right, Ellie, what is our theme for today?
It's birds.
Birds! And we are going to start with one of your favorite books when you were a toddler, yeah. It is called Shh, We Have a Plan by Chris Houghton. All right, you ready for this, kid? Okay.
Look, a bird. Hello, birdie.
Shh, shh. We have a plan. Tiptoe slowly, tiptoe slowly. Now stop. Shh. Ready, 1. Ready, 2. Ready, 3. Go! Did they get the bird?
No.
They did not.
Look, up there. Hello, birdie.
Shh, shh. We have a plan. Climbing slowly, climbing slowly. Now stop. Shh. Ready, 1. Ready, 2. Ready, 3. Go! Did they get the bird? They did not.
Look, down there. Hello, birdie.
Shh, shh. We have a plan. Paddling slowly, paddling slowly. Now stop. Shh. Ready, 1. Ready, 2. Ready, 3. Go! Did they get the bird, Ellie?
No.
They did not.
Hello, birdie. What do you like? Some bread? 1,
2, 3. Look! Oh, look at all those birds.
It's so beautiful, and there's one on his hand.
There's one on his hand. Okay. Ready, 1. Ready, 2. Ready. Whoop, look at that angry bird coming their way. Run away! Oh, looks like they're heading back home. Do they have a bird with them?
No, he looks like he really wants to play with them.
Yeah.
Look, he scored.
Shh! We have a plan. The end. I love that story.
Yeah.
All right. So now we're going to do a little flannel. Are you going to hold my birds?
Yep.
Okay. So it's going to be 5 little birds, but we're going to count up instead of down this time. So, one little bird with feathers so blue, along came the
Green one.
green one, and then there were 2. And what are these birds? What kind of bird is the blue
That's
one?
a blue jay.
What about the green
And
one?
that is
A
Honeybird.
honeybird. Yes. Now we have 2 little birds. 2 little birds sitting in a tree. Along came the
red one.
red one, and then there were 3. And what is the red one called?
A cardinal.
A cardinal, yes. Now we have 3 little birds. 3 little birds wishing there were more. Along came the
Orange one.
orange one. And then there were 4. Do you know what kind of bird this is, Ellie?
That's a finch.
Not a finch, it's an oriole. No, it's a Baltimore oriole. All right, so now we have 4. 4 little birds, happy to be alive. Along came the
Yellow one.
yellow one, which is our goldfinch. And then there were 5 little birds, happy as can be, singing in the trees for you and me. All right, and now we're going to do our second book. And we have our special guests back, right?
Yep.
We've got Elephant and Piggy. And why do we have Elephant and Piggy back?
Because we are going to read There's a Bird on Your Head.
There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. Are you ready, Ellie?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, looks like Elephant and Piggy are taking a nap. And there's our bird. Here he comes. Piggy! Is there something on my head?
Yes. There is a bird on your head.
There is a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now?
No. Now there is 2 birds on your head.
What are 2 birds doing on my head?
They are in love.
The birds on my head are in love?
They are lovebirds.
Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds?
They are making a nest.
2 birds are making a nest on my head. Why would 2 birds be making a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head?
1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head.
I do not want 3 eggs on my head.
Now I have good news.
The eggs are gone.
The eggs are hatching.
Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep.
They have hatched.
Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head?
And 2 birds and a nest.
I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head.
Where do you want them?
Somewhere else!
Why not ask them to go somewhere else?
Ask them.
Ask them.
Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Why is Piggy upset?
Because the birds are on his head.
The birds are now on her head. And where is Pigeon?
Pigeon always sneaks in a book.
There he is. What is he doing?
His
He's eating a hot dog.
his favorite.
His favorite snack. All right. And now we are ready for our goodbye song. You ready, Ellie?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, Piggy. Silly girl. Okay, ready? So we'll do it 2 times. It goes, open, shut them. Open, shut them. Raise your hands up high, high, high. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Now we wave goodbye, bye, bye. One more time. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Raise your hands up high, high, high. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Now we